In this video, we're going to look at subtraction. So if you have a problem that says subtract 7 minus 2, you might not remember the subtraction fact of what 7 minus 2 is. So what you could do is you could go to a number line and we can start like we did on the other ones. For addition is you start at 7, and here's 7, and then what you have to do is for subtraction you would have to go this way. For addition we went this way on the number line. So if you start at 7, if you're subtracting 2, you have to go this way. So you go 1, 2, right? So you've subtracted 2. So minus 1, minus 2, and we end up at 5. So we know that 7 minus 2 equals 5.